everyone, it's Mike Chamberlain from Peterbilt in Prince George once again on the channel, and this time I'm coming to you from the local park. It's a little prettier. It's fall weather, but we got a little bit of snow on the ground, but I just thought I would do a walk around of one of my customers' new 567 Peterbilts with MX Power lightweight long logger. So here it is. This is a Peterbilt 567 with the MX engine. It has the shorter bumper to back of cab. It's 264-inch wheelbase, 510 horsepower, 1850 foot-pounds of torque. Single stack for lightweight. This unit has the progressive front end in it. You can kind of see it there. So it's 16,000 to 23,000 pound load rating. It's great because you can pack a full 9,100 kilograms on your steer axle. And when you're not loaded right up, it doesn't ride like a tank. Medium depth tank, custom made toolbox. Has a Freflyt triAxle on it. Kind of digging these fenders from Freflyt. Meritor RZ 166 rear discs with 69,000 pound new A suspension. Let's get back here. This truck actually tears out at 16,990 kilograms the way it sits. So I would estimate, you know, with fuel, chains, wrapper cinches, you're probably going to be around 17.5. Just absolutely love this color. Under the front bumper. And that progressive freight front spring. Jumper points.
And now for the interior. Time to put the camera down, start grabbing some gears, and head back to the office. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button and follow for more exciting Peterbilt videos. Come on back.
Bye.